Hello everyone, welcome to Upadhyay Technology.
Question 1. The basic architecture of computer was developed by, and the options are John von Neumann. Second option is Charles Babbage. Third option is Blaise Pascal. And the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is John von Neumann. Question 2. In how many generations a computer can be classified? And the options are 3, second option is 4, third option is 5, and last option is 6. And the correct answer is 5. Question 3. Microprocessor was introduced in which generation of computer? And the options are second generation, second option is fourth generation, third option is third generation, and last option is all of these. And the correct answer is fourth generation. Question 4 is which of the following memory is non-volatile? And the options are SRAM, static RAM, second option is dynamic RAM, third option is ROM, and last option is all of the above. And the correct answer is ROM. Fourth question is the time during which a job is processed by the computer is, and the options are execution time, second option is delay time, third option is real time, and last option is waiting time. And the correct answer is execution time. Question 6. An error is also known as, and the options are bug, second option is debug, third option is cursor, and last option is icon. And the correct answer is bug. Question 7. Microsoft Word is an example of, and the options are operating system, second option is processing device, third option is application software, and last option is system software. And the correct answer is application software. Question 8. The IC chip used in computers is made up of which element? And the options are chromium, second option is iron oxide, third option is silica, and the last option is silicon. And the correct answer is silicon. Question 9. Which of the following was the first Intel processor? And the options are 3080, second option is 4004, third option is 8080, and the last option is 8086. And the correct answer is 4004. Question 10. Which network protocol is used to send email? And the options are FTP, File Transfer Protocol. Second option is SSH, Secure Socket Cell. Third option is POP3, Post Office Protocol. And the last option is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And the correct answer is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Question 11. The memory which is programmed at the time of manufacturing is, and the options are RAM, second option is ROM, third option is PROM, Programmable ROM, and fourth option is EPROM, Erasable Programmable ROM. And correct answer is ROM. Question 12. A kilobyte, also referred to as KB, is equal to, first option is 1000 byte, second option is 1024 byte, third option is 500 byte, and the last option is 4096 byte, and the correct answer is 1024 bytes. Question 13. Which of the following is not used in local area network? And the options are computers, second option is printer, third option is modem, and last option is cable. And the correct answer is modem. Question 13. The most advanced form of ROM is, and the options are PROM, programmable ROM, second option is RAM, third option is EEPROM, and the last option is cache memory. And the correct answer is EEPROM, electrically erasable, programmable, read-only memory. Question 14. 1 MB is equal to, and the options are 1024 bytes, second option is 1024 kilobytes, third option is 1000 kilobytes, and the last option is 1024 gigabytes, and the correct answer is 1024 kilobyte. Question 15. A collection of 8 bits is called, and the options are byte, second option is data, third option is word, and the last option is kilo. And the correct answer is bytes. Question 16. A list of instructions used by a computer is called, and the options are text, second option is keyboard, third option is program, and the last option is output. And the correct answer is program. Question 17. In communication word, DNS stands for, and the options are domain name system, second option is dynamic name system, option third is data name system, and the last option is distributed name system. And the correct answer is domain name system. Question 18. Which of the following carries the RAM, ROM, and CPU? And the options are hard disk, second option is ALU, arithmetic logical unit, third option is motherboard, and the last option is all of above. And the correct answer is motherboard. Question 19. Optical input device that recognize pencil marks on paper is called, and the options are magnetic tape, second option is optical scanners, third option is punch card reader, and the last option is OMR. And the correct answer is OMR, optical mark recognition. Question 20. In modern computer system, the BIOS is stored in, and the options are DRAM, second option is flash, third option is SRAM, and the last option is hard disk. And the correct answer is flash memory. Question 21. The wireless technology used to exchange data over short distance is called, and the options are USB, second option is Bluetooth, third option is modem, and the last option is Wi-Fi. And the correct answer is Bluetooth. Question 22. The two type of monitors are, and the options are first option is LCD and DVD. Second option is DVD and VCD. Third option is CRT and LCD. And the last option is CRT and DVD. And the correct answer is CRT and LCD. Question 23. The computer used in banking and railway are, and the options are supercomputer. Second option is mainframe computer. Third option is mini computer. And the last option is microcomputer. And the correct answer is mainframe computer. Question 24. How many options does a binary number offers? And the options are, first option is 2, second option is 5, third option is 8, and the last option is none of the above. And the correct answer is 2. Question 25. www stands for, and the options are, first option is World Wide Web, second option is World Wide Web, and the third option is World Work Web, and the last option is World with Web. And the correct answer is World Wide Web. Question 26. Which number system is used to perform calculation and store data? And the options are decimal, second option is hexadecimal, third option is octal, and the last option is binary. And the correct answer is binary. Question 27. Who is the father of computer? And the options are, first option is Charles Babbage, second option is Michael, third option is James Gosselin, and the last option is Michael Abraham. And the correct answer is Charles Babbage. Question 28. The computer understands which language? And the options are C language, second option is assembly language, third option is binary language, and the last option is human language. And the correct answer is binary language. Question 29. Which computer language is written in binary only? And the options are, first option is Pascal, second option is COBOL, third option is C language, and the last option is machine language. And the correct answer is machine language. Question 30. Which of the following is the smallest unit of data in computer science? And the options are bit, second option is byte, third option is kilobyte, and the last option is gigabyte. And the correct answer is bit. Question 31. Debug is the process of finding in software code. And the options are, the first option is error, the second option is method, third option is function, and the last option is language. And the correct answer is error. Question number 32. What is the term used for unsolicited email? And the options are spam, second option is deleted, third option is newsgroup, and the last option is backbone. And the correct answer is spam mails. Question 33. Which one is not a broadband internet connection? And the options are satellite, second option is dial-up, third option is DSL, and the last option is cable, and the correct answer is dial-up connection. Question number 34. Linux is an example of which type of operating system? And the options are open source, second option is Windows, third option is Microsoft, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is open source. Question 35. By default, in which mode our document prints? And the options are page setup, second option is portrait, third option is landscape, and the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is portrait mode. Question 36. Which waves are used by wireless network to transmit signals? And the options are radio wave, second option is infrared waves, third option is sound wave, and the last option is magnetic wave. And the correct answer is radio waves. Question number 37. Loading of operating system onto RAM is called. And the options are starting, second option is booting, third option is saving, and the last option is transferring. And the correct answer is booting. Question 38. The full form of URL in computer science is, and the options are Universal Research List, second option is Universal Resource List, and the third option is Uniform Resource Locator, and the last option is Uniform Research Locator. And the correct answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Question 39. Integrated circuit is also known as, and the options are transistor, second option is chip, third option is semiconductor, and the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is chip. Question 40. Which of the following is the largest manufacturer of hard disk drive? And the options are IBM, second option is Seagate, third option is Microsoft, and the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is Seagate Technology. Question 41. Which one is used to save a document in a specific location? And the options are save, second option is save as, third option is save as document, and the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is save as. Question 42. What does SSL stands for? And the options are Secure Socket Layer, second option is System Socket Layer, third option is System User Socket Layer, and the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is Secure Socket Layer. Question 43. .bak extension usually used to what kind of files? And the options are backup files, second option is movie files, third option is image file, and the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is backup files. Question 44. The speed of our net access is defined in terms of, and the options are kilobits per second, second option is hertz, third option is kilometer per second, and the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is kilobit per second. Question 45. What we call to a computer in a network that requests file from another computer? And the options are client, second option is server, third option is host, and the fourth option is router. And the correct answer is client. Question 46. Google is an example of which of these? And the options are search engine, second option is messenger, third option is hosting platform, and the last option is image directory. And the correct answer is search engine. Question 47. The home page of a website is, and the options are first page, second option is last page, third option is smallest page, and the last option is largest page. And the correct answer is first page. Question 48. Which one provide us real-time communication with a friend? And the options are instant messenger, second option is email, third option is internet, and the last option is intranet. And the correct answer is instant messenger. Question 49. Main circuit board to which every component is connected in a computer is, and the options are main board, second option is motherboard, third option is primary board, and the last option is secondary board. And the correct answer is motherboard. Question 50. Who developed Linux operating system? And the options are first option is Linus Torvalds, second option is Bill Gates, third option is Steve Jobs, and the last option is Charles Babbage. And the correct answer is Linus Torvalds. Question 51. The computer virus that attacks on antivirus first to prevent from detection is, and the options are Trojan virus, second option is worm virus, third option is ghost virus, and the last option is retrovirus. And the correct answer is retrovirus. Question 52. The internet was developed in which year? And the options are early 90s, second option is late 90s, third option is early 80s, and the last option is late 80s. And the correct answer is late 90s. Question 53. Which among the following projects is launched to improve rural connectivity in backward areas? And the options are Srishti, second option is Param, third option is Bhumi, and the last option is Drishti. And the correct answer is Param. Question 54. How many function keys are there in computer's keyboard? And the options are 12, second option is 13, third option is 15, and the last option is 20. And the correct answer is 13. Question 54. A light sensitive device that converts image into digital form is, and the options are OMR, second option is plotter, third option is scanner, and the last option is mouse. And the correct answer is scanner. Question 54. a light sensitive device that converts image into digital form is, and the options are OMR, second option is plotter, third option is scanner, and the last option is mouse, and the correct answer is scanner. Question 56. Computer memory that is used to store program and data which are currently processed by the CPU. And the options are secondary memory, second option is internal memory, third option is pen drive, and the last option is non-volatile memory. And the correct answer is internal memory. Question 56. What is Visual Display Unit (VDU)? And the options are Central Processing Unit, second option is Peripherals, third option is Screen and Monitors, and the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is Screen and Monitor. Question 58. Computer uses firewalls to protect against, and the options are unauthorized access, second option is fire attack, third option is heating of computer, and the last option is virus attack. And the correct answer is unauthorized access. Question 59. Which generation of computer is associated with artificial intelligence? And the options are 7th generation, second option is 5th generation, third option is 3rd generation, and the last option is 1st generation. And the correct answer is 5th generation. Question 60. What is the full form of PCI bus? And the options are Peripheral Computer Interconnect, second option is Peripheral Component Interconnect, third option is Phase Computer Interconnect, and the last option is Phase Component Interconnect. And the correct answer is Peripheral Component Interconnect. Question 61. Who invented the twisted pair cables? And the options are James Macmillan, second option is Henry Ford, third option is Alexander Graham Bell, and the last option is John Smith. And the correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Question 62. What is the name of first computer? And the options are ENIAC, second option is Ataris, third option is Tandy, and the last option is Novella. And the correct answer is ENIAC. Question 63. When a key is pressed on keyboard, which standard is used to convert stroke into corresponding bits? And the options are ANSI, second option is ASCII, third option is EBCDIC, and the last option is ISO. And the correct answer is ASCII. Question 64. Which part of CPU is responsible for mathematical calculations? And the options are ALU, arithmetical logical unit, second option is memory, third option is register, and the last option is control unit. And the correct answer is ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. Question 65. Who is the founder of Facebook? And the options are Mark Zuckerberg, second option is Steve Jobs, third option is Bill Gates, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is Mark Zuckerberg. Question 66. Who is the founder of Microsoft? And the options are Mark Zuckerberg, second option is Steve Jobs. Third option is Bill Gates. And the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Question 67. Who is the founder of Apple Incorporated? And the options are Mark Zuckerberg. Second option is Steve Jobs. Third option is Bill Gates. And the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is Steve Jobs. Question 68. Who is the founder of TCS, Tata Consultancy Services? And the options are Tata Sons. Second option is Rajesh Gopinathan. Third option is RJD Tata. And the last option is Ratan Tata. And the correct answer is Tata Sons. Question 69. What is the function of recycle bin? And the options are store deleted file. Second option is store temporary files. Third option is store corrupted file. And the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is to store deleted files. Question 70. The ability of operating system to control multiple programs activity at the same time is, and the options are multitasking. Second option is multi-paging. Third option is multi-working. And the last option is multi-processing. And the correct answer is multitasking. Question 71. What is the full form of MIPS? And the options are million instruction per second. Second option is monthly instruction per second. Third option is millions inputs per second. And the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is millions instruction per second. Question 72. Which one is important to boot a computer? And the options are first option is compiler, second option is interpreter, third option is operating system, and the last option is none of these. And the correct answer is operating system. Question 73. Which one is the process of dividing disk into track and sectors? And the options are tracking, second option is formatting, third option is allotting, and the last option is crashing. And the correct answer is formatting. Question 74. When several computers connected to each other to share program and data, they form. And the options are network, second option is loop, third option is bus, and the last option is library. And the correct answer is network. Question 75. Which one is true regarding USB device? And the options are ternary, second option is secondary, third option is primary, and the last option is auxiliary. And the correct answer is secondary storage device. Question number 76. The storage device which retain the data even after power fails are called, and the options are volatile device, second option is non-volatile device, third option is primary device, and the last option is secondary device. And the correct answer is non-volatile device. Question 77. Which language is used to program the first computer? And the options are machine language, second option is higher level language, third option is lower level language, and the last option is assembly language. And the correct answer is machine language. Question 77. The instruction which are responsible for starting of computer is present in, and the options are RAM, second option is ROM, third option is hard disk, and the last option is CD-ROM, and the correct answer is ROM, read-only memory. Question 79. There is a junk mails. The other name of junk mails is, and the options are spam, second option is spoof, third option is archive, and the last option is spool, and the correct answer is spam. Question 80. In which of the following directives init resides in Unix? And the options are root, second option is bin, third option is etc, and the last option is user directive. And the correct answer is etc directive. Question 81. Number of bits used by the IP version 6 address is, and the options are 32 bits. Second option is 64 bits. Third option is 128 bits. And the last option is 256 bits. And the correct answer is 128 bits. Question 82. Which of the following programming language is used to create programs like applets? And the options are C, second option is C++, third option is Java, and last option is BASIC. And the correct answer is Java. Question 83. Which one programming language is exclusively used for artificial intelligence? And the options are C, second option is C++, third option is Java, and the last option is Prolog. And the correct answer is Prolog. Question 84. Which of the following is not an operating system? And the options are Linux, second option is Unix, third option is Windows, and the last option is C. And the correct answer is C. Question 85. When a program is executing, it is called. And the options are program, second option is process, third option is procedure, and the last option is function. And the correct answer is process. Question 86. Mac operating system is developed by which company? And the options are Wipro, second option is Google, third option is Microsoft, and the last option is Apple. And the correct answer is Apple. Question 87. Where is the headquarter of Google located? And the options are Texas, second option is Washington, third option is California, and the last option is New York. And the correct answer is California. Question 88. Which computer program converts assembly language to machine language? And the options are compiler, second option is assembler, third option is interpreter, and the last option is comparator. And the correct answer is assembler. Question 89. What is the extension of Excel file used before 2007 and after 2007 respectively? And the options are .xls and .xlss. Second option is .xls and .xsl. Third option is .xsl and .xls. And last option is none of these. And the correct answer is .xls and .x. Question 90. In which year @ sign was first chosen for its use in email address? And the options are 1970. Second option is 1972. Third option is 1975. And the last option is 1980. And the correct answer is 1972. Question 91. What is the maximum number of partitions that we can create on a hard disk? And the options are 2. Second option is 5. Third option is 4. And the last option is 6. And the correct answer is 4 partitions. Question 92. How many layers are there in TCP IP protocol layers? And the options are 9 layer. Second option is 10 layer. Third option is 4 layer. And the last option is 6 layers. And the correct answer is 4 layers. Question 93. Which function key we press during reboot for entering in safe mode of a Windows? And the options are F9, second option is F6, third option is F8, and the last option is F4. And the correct answer is F8. Question 94. NIC, whose full form is Network Interface Card, is generally used for. And the options are programming. Second option is connectivity. Third option is debugging. And the last option is printing. And the correct answer is connectivity. Question 95. Which web browser is developed by the Google? And the options are Internet Explorer. Second option is Mozilla Firefox. Third option is Google Chrome. And the last option is Safari. And the correct answer is Google Chrome. Question 96. Which web browser is developed by the Microsoft? And the options are Internet Explorer. Second option is Mozilla Firefox. Third option is Google Chrome. And the last option is Safari. And the correct answer is Mozilla Firefox. Question 97. Skype, a video sharing application, is the product of which company? And the options are Google. Second option is Microsoft. Third option is Wipro. And the last option is Facebook. And the correct answer is Microsoft. Question 98. What is the full form of PDF? And the options are printed document format. Second option is public document format. Third option is portable document format. And the last option is published document format. And the correct answer is portable document format. Question 99. What does the letter S stands for in HTTPS protocol? And the options are secure. Second option is safe. Third option is show. And the last option is short. And the correct answer is secure. 100. Which one IP address cannot be assigned to a computer system in a network? and the options are 127.0.0.1, second option is 192.0.1.1, third option is 192.0.1.2, and the last option is 198.0.2.2, and the correct answer is 127.0.0.1. 101. The speed of which of the following memory chip is faster? And the options are SRAM, static RAM, DRAM, dynamic RAM, DRAM for smaller size, and the last option is SRAM of smaller size. And the correct answer is SRAM. Question 102. Content of which type of memory is lost when computer turns off? And the options are volatile memory, second option is non-volatile memory, third option is input memory, and the last option is output memory. And the correct answer is volatile memory. 103. C, Basic, COBOL, Java are example of which type of programming language? And the options are higher level, second option is lower level, third option is application level, and the last option is system level. And the correct answer is higher level language. Question number 104. The mode of communication that supports data movement in both directions at the same time. And the options are simplex, second option is half duplex, third option is full duplex, and the last option is multiplex. And the correct answer is full duplex. Question 106. Where the program and the data stores while processor is using them? And the options are primary memory, second option is secondary memory, third option is program memory, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is primary memory. Question 107. Which process ensures that all components of computer are connected and working properly? And the options are booting, second option is editing, third option is formatting, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is booting. Question 108. The process of transferring file from one computer to another over internet is called. And the options are downloading, second option is uploading, third option is FTP, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is downloading. Question 109. Who invented the mechanical calculator for adding numbers? And the options are Newton, second option is Pascal, third option is Cord, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is Pascal. Question 110. Which of the following represents billion characters? And the options are megabytes, second option is gigabytes, third option is terabytes, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is gigabytes. Question 111. In which year the Microsoft company was founded? And the options are 1970, second option is 1975, third option is 1980, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is 1975. Question 112. The process of moving processes from the main memory to disk is called. And the options are swapping, second option is scheduling, third option is catching, and the last option is none of above, and the correct answer is swapping. Question 135. What is the port address of POP Post Office Protocol and SMTP Simple Mail Transfer Protocol respectively? And the options are 110 and 25. Second option is 110 and 35. Third option is 125 and 25. And the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is 110 and 25. Question 114. The encoding or scribbling of data for transmission across a network is known as, and the options are encryption, second option is decryption, third option is protection, and the last option is none of above, and the correct answer is encryption. Question number 115. Integrated circuit which we are using in computers are made up of which element? And the options are silicon, second option is aluminium, third option is iron, and the last option is copper. And the correct answer is silicon. Question 116. We can create communication between one HTML document to another HTML document using, and the options are hyperlink, second option is connection link, third option is icon, and the last option is none of above, and the correct answer is hyperlink. Question 117. The software system that builds, maintain and provide access to a database is called, and the options are SMTP, second option is DBMS, third option is CPU, and the last option is POP, and the correct answer is DBMS, that is database management system. Question number 118. What is the limit of characters for a tweet on Twitter? And the options are 118, second option is 120, third option is 140, and the last option is 180, and the correct answer is 140 characters. Question number 119. Which of the following is not valid data type in MS Excel? And the options are number, second option is label, third option is character, and the last option is date. And the correct answer is character. Question number 120. What is the intersection of a column and a row in a workshop called? And the options are row, second option is column, third option is cell, and the last option is label. And the correct answer is cell. Question 121. If we want to add an internal card to a computer, then it must have an open, and the options are USB port, second option is expansion port, third option is bus, and the last option is cable, and the correct answer is expansion port. Question number 122. If we want to save a file from the internet onto our desktop, then it is called. And the options are uploading, second option is downloading, third option is upgrading, and the last option is saving. And the correct answer is downloading. Question 123. We use cookies for memory management. Where are these cookies stored? And the options are server, second option is client side, third option is middleware, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is client side. Question number 124. Online discussion group software that allows direct live communication is known as, and the options are server, second option is chat group, third option is mail system, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is chat group. Question number 125. Nowadays, IoT is very famous. What does IoT refers to? And the options are Internet of Things. Second option is Internet of Things. Third option is Internet of Teleservices. And the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is Internet of Things. Question number 126. Device which is used by bankers to automatically read special number on the bottom of check is, and the options are MICR, second option is OMR, third option is TCP, and the last option is POS, and the correct answer is MICR, magnetic ink character reader. Question number 127. Which of the following is important to boot the computer system? And the options are loader, second option is compiler, third option is interpreter, and the third option is operating system. And the correct answer is operating system. Question 128. We are using email everywhere nowadays. So, who invented email? And the options are Ray Tomlinson. Second option is Steve Jobs. Third option is Shiva Yedurai. And the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is Ray Tomlinson. Question number 129. Semiconductor chips is present in almost every electronic device. So, who invented semiconductor chip? And the options are Robert Noyce. Second option is Steve Jobs. Third option is Charles Babbage. And the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is Robert Noyce. Question 113. Which type of processing speed measurement is used with the supercomputers? And the options are Nacron, second option is FLOPS, third option is MIPS, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is FLOPS. Question number 131. How many characters are there in ASCII system? And the options are 52 character, second option is 64 character, third option is 94 characters, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is 94 characters. Question 132. The information transfer between CPU and cache memory in the form of, and the options are words, second option is bits, third option is bytes, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is words. Question number 133. Cache memory is very important in processing. It is built up of, and the options are SRAM, second option is DRAM, third option is PROM, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is SRAM, that is static RAM. Question number 134. Interpreter convert higher level language into which of the following language? And the options are machine level, second option is assembly level, third option is higher level, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is machine level language. Question number 135. Which of the following we will choose if we have to store large amount of data. And the options are primary memory, second option is cache memory, third option is secondary memory, and last option is none of above. And the correct answer is secondary memory. Question 136. Which of the following is the fastest supercomputer in the world? And the options are Fugaku, second option is Titan, third option is Trinity, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is Fugaku of Japan. Question number 137. The speed of which of the following is faster than cache memory? And the options are RAM, random access memory, second option is ROM, read-only memory, third option is HDD, hard disk, and the last option is registers of CPU. And the correct answer is registers of CPU. Question number 138. With which of the following we can identify a computer in internet? And the options are IP address, second option is machine address, third option is email address, and the last option is virtual address. And the correct answer is IP address. Question number 139. We can perform which of the following operation with the help of RAM? And the options are read operation, second option is write operation, third option is read and write operation, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is read and write operations. Question number 140. What is the output of processing the raw data? And the options are application, second option is new data, third option is information, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is information. Question number 141. The folders in operating system are present in which type of data structure? And the options are stack, second option is queue, third option is inverted tree, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is inverted tree. Nowadays, internet play a very important role in our society, to which we can refer as internet, LAN, local area network. Second option is MAN, metropolitan area network. Third option is WAN, wide area network, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is WAN, wide area network. Question number 143. First mobile company which introduced emoji in their mobile phones is? And the options are Samsung, second option is Apple, third option is Nokia, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is Apple. Question 144. Simultaneously transmission of data to a number of stations is called. And the options are broadcast, second option is analog transmission, third option is digital transmission, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is broadcast. Question number 145. Which of the following is used by second generation computer system? And the options are transistor, second option is integrated chip, third option is vacuum tube, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is transistor. Question number 146. In a spreadsheet software, worksheet and document are present in, and the options are column, second option is row, third option is workbook, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is workbook. Question number 147. Maximum allowed zoom percentage in Microsoft PowerPoint is, and the options are 100%, second option is 200%, third option is 400%, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is 400%. Question number 148. What is the punishment for hacking of computers? And the options are 2-year imprisonment or 2 lakh fine, 3-year imprisonment or 3 lakh fine, 3-year imprisonment or 5 lakh fine, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is 3-year imprisonment or 3 lakh fine. Question number 149. The process of copying information to the CD-ROM is called, and the options are burning, second option is writing, third option is zipping, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is burning. Question number 150. With reference to email, what does BCC means? And the options are blind carbon copy, second option is blind computer copy, third option is blind computer communication, and the last option is none of above. And the correct answer is blind carbon copy.